everyone, this is Bea here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you my 6th box of my Birchbox, my February box, because it came out late. And so I'm gonna open it with you. So this is unusually big. I usually got like just half of this size, but I don't know what's inside because this box is really big for this one. I am pretty much excited what's really inside here. Let's open it. Let's see what I have here. So I've got 3 items inside the box. So the first one is the Birchbox. Is it the right one? And I've got a mini bag. It's like a makeup bag. And look, from thebeautycrop. It says here, espresso yourself. Let's see, it's eyeshadow palette made with coffee extract. Ooh, how cool is that? I like it. Okay, I'm gonna open my February box. I'm really excited. What's inside? Let love grow. Ooh. Ooh. I'm gonna open what's inside. I'm gonna let you show what's their products for this month. So you've got a letter here. It's let love grow for February 2019. Okay, and it shows you can actually for March you can actually pick which one do you prefer on their website, and there are items in their website where you can order if you happen to want another sample or want another product from their box. So this letter will show you what's inside my box. Oh, okay, so we've got here like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items inside the box, and I've got 6, and the bag is the 7th item for this February box. So first I'm gonna let you see my first item. It's LOC Liquid Shimmer Shadow in Eclipse or Moonlight. So the RRP of it, it's £8, but actually guys, the box is just for £10 plus the £2 shipping fee. So you get to pay £12 in a month for these items for only £12. And yeah, so first is the LOC Liquid Shimmer Eyeshadow. Oh, I like that. So this is the one. This is the sample. LOC. Is it? Ooh. Sorry. LOC. See? So this actually costs £8. Cute. And the next one is the Anatomicals. It says here shower gel. It costs £4 for these size. It's quite big for £4. So It says here, no one gets flirty with a dirty pick-me-up body cleanser. Anatomical. Let's see if this one's really nice. Yep. Sorry. Gotta clean up later. And the next one is the CocoandEve. I've been wanting to have this one. I've been wanting to order this sample. I mean this product, but it costs so much, and it costs so much for me. I'm really excited to do the sample because I really do have a dry hair, as you can see. Hopefully I can make a video out of this, and I'm excited. This is how it looks. CocoandEve. Seriously. Oh my god! CocoandEve. Like virgin, like a virgin. Touch for the very first time. Just a small one, but hopefully it's enough for my hair. And the next one is I got a blending brush from Luxy. You can see it. There you go. Sorry. It costs £11. So it's for blending brush. I'm glad because I have this one because I left all my brushes in the Philippines, so I haven't bought any yet, although I have the blending brush given by my best friend, but I haven't used that much. So whenever I put on eyeshadows, I just use my fingers, my mahiwagang fingers. So the next one is the Nabla cosmetic lipstick. So the lipstick, it costs £12. Diva Crime Nabla. It looks like that. I'm gonna try it. I said box, so I'm on the VIP list already, so I've got like 15% off of the products, of the items in their website. If you guys subscribe for about like 6 months, you'll become a VIP as well and have their 50% off of every item. Oh, I love the color. Look at the color. See? It's nice. I'm gonna try it. Drying akong lips. Sorry, dry akong lips. I'm gonna try the color. Ooh. How is it? I like it. Nabla. Nabla. These are the items I've got. And I'm happy about this because I've been wanting to have new eyeshadow, and I'm excited to use this one. So for the thebeautycrop, it says here you can follow them on Instagram. It's like it can't be shown, so I don't know. So let me try it. How to open this one? Espresso yourself. Oh, it's a cute palette. And oh my gee, I love the colors. Look at the colors. I want to try. I'm gonna use Not this one. I'm gonna use just my fingers. So I'm gonna try. Okay. So I am gonna try the eyeshadow. See, sorry. Okay na. I'm gonna try the eyeshadow. I placed the shimmer. Ready, so I'm gonna try a darker one. I'm using the amaretto. There you go. Amaretto. So I'm using it. Just using my fingers, right? Sorry. And then I'm gonna try using the darker shade. It's nice. I'm gonna use a blending brush. Oh, I like the color. And that. I like it. In Fairview, I like it. I like it. There we go. Then I'm gonna try to put this. Where ba? I'm not a makeup artist like expert, but I love the color look. So I'll let you show my boxes. So that's how. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is my 6th box. Look. You're my favorite because I got 15% off because I'm on the VIP list already. So if I want to order anything from their website, I've got 15% off. And if you want to subscribe in this boxes, just go on their website, www.birchbox.com. And to be honest, I haven't received any items that has already been given to me, so I'm sure that you won't be receiving the same product. Yeah. Thank you. I'm quite happy with my items for this February. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked the video, please give a thumbs up and comment down below if you have any feedback or comments or any suggestions you want me to make, videos you want me to make. Please do. Please press the button for you to get notified if I have a new video uploaded, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel, Thea Banana, and follow me on Instagram, Thea Banana. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Bye. Guys, I want to show you Dorothy's gift for me for my birthday. Yeah. Ouch. Yeah. She got me this because she went home in the Philippines. So she got me bunnies. I'm gonna show you what's inside. It comes with this one, cleaner, sunglass cleaner, and comes with Sun's. I'm usually picky with sunglasses because I've got a round face. I don't know if this one matches or fits me well, but let's see. I don't know what this is called. Usually they have names for this item, for this sunglass. So it says here, UV, 100% UV protection, Sunny Studio. Charging Dorothy. Y'all, gonna try this one. Ooh. Ayan ba? So, kind of glasses is actually okay for round faces like me. In fairness, thank you, Dot. I like it. It fits well on my face. Thank you.